You're going to love the 2004 Suzuki XL7. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, front and rear cup holders, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, skid plates, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.